Hello, and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA, a very interesting chart at the moment. Hasn't really changed since yesterday, but it's worth talking a little bit about the microstructures here, which are currently being respected. Basically, the roadmap is being followed, support is holding. The trend lines were meaningful. Okay, we have seen a break above the initial trend line here, where the price, first of all, got rejected a little bit on Thursday, but then we pushed above it, reached the next trend line. Okay, still can't break above it. I mentioned to you we have a support area on the chart and we might test it before going up any higher. What's actually the bigger picture here? First of all, we should take a look at that for everybody who's new on the channel. We have an initial 5-wave rally into the sort of 80-cent region into the March highs, and then a corrective pullback in a wave 2 into this yellow support region, which is defined between 29 cents and 36 cents. Important to mention is that this is a support region, which obviously could break, but as long as we're holding the 29-cent level, there is currently no evidence, of a break or of weakness or anything. And instead, we are upholding a bullish scenario as long as the price holds the 29-cent level. That's very important because the 29-cent level is the 78.6 retracement and typically the last reliable support for such a wave 2 correction. So from here, anyway, we were watching for a reversal, at least before breaking below 29 cents. So let's go to the 1-hour chart. What we need to see, however, to confirm that a low has formed is a 5-wave move to the upside. So I need a wave 1. Okay, we've got that. I need a wave 2. We've got that. I need a wave 3. Maybe topped already. Could get another high. But I need another 4-5 pattern. I don't have it at this stage. We know that from in cryptos, the third waves sometimes like to extend. That's not uncommon. It's not unusual. We have pretty much we have a pretty extension here on the ADA chart in the third wave, but not even an unusual extension. I mean, we've reached the 1.786 extension of the initial 1-2 setup. If you follow me for a while already, then, or if you've been following me, then you know that the 1.38 extension, which is just 2 fib levels below, is typically my minimum expectation for a third wave. So the 1.786 is only just 2 levels above. That's not much. I mean, we've seen wave 3s reach the 200% extension here. That would be 46 cents. Or even the 2.382, that's 49.2 cents. Yeah? The more bullish the environment, the more likely that we get extensions. In third waves, we generally have to expect extensions. And in crypto, the longer the third wave, the higher normally the likelihood that we're also getting a 4-5 pattern. At the moment, the idea is that we are still stuck in this third wave probably. So we had from the larger wave 2 low, from the possible wave 2 low, an initial rally, wave 1, we had a pullback in wave 2. Yeah, the third wave, again, it could still be unfolding, right? The third wave could still be unfolding because if I zoom in a little bit, I can visually see 1, 2, 3. This could be 4, which could be a triangle, whatever. There are different patterns that could unfold. Important is that this fourth wave holds the 39.9 cent level. And then we could get one more high, possibly to 46 or 49.2 cents, then another 4, then another 5. The wave count doesn't tell us it has to happen. It just gives us the relevant support levels, okay? And indicates where resistance could be seen. And obviously the market is respecting these nicely. We saw a pullback. The market reacted to the 23.6 fib level of the support area. Corrective rally from there. No new high. So it's possible that this is a B wave rally. And we're now coming down in the C wave. A direct breakout from here could indicate that wave 5 of 3 is already unfolding, but it's essentially important, I think, to understand that the 39.9 cent is key support. So as long as we're holding that, assumption is that we are still in the in the uptrend overall. Yeah, ideally that we get another 4-5 in wave 3, even though not absolutely needed. So the advantage here is we already have a lower support area. Maybe the focus should rather be on that one because it is possible that all of the larger third wave is topped. I mean, it's long enough, okay? So if we go down a little lower, 38.4 is the key support. But I have nothing bullish below that. I mean, if we break below 38.4 cents, we're also breaking below the lower trend line again. And that would indicate a 3-wave top and that we're failing. But for now, it's looking good. We're holding. Consolidation, pullback is common, okay? I mean, as I said, this even turns into a triangle potentially. even though this here is a small 5-wave move down as it seems. So it gives us the impression that at least like one more low should happen here in wave C or 4. Should, not will. I mean, it's not an impulse down, okay? This is at best a diagonal down. And I think the fib levels are more important than the absolute microstructure here. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.